Hi friends! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw a beautiful house together.
Yay!
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your black marker and let's get started. First, let's draw a rectangle for the tall part of our house. On top of the rectangle, draw a triangle for the roof. Next, draw another rectangle, shorter but wider, next to the tall rectangle. Add a roof on top of this rectangle too. Now our house is taking shape. Draw a door in the middle of the shorter rectangle. Now add 2 windows on both sides of the door.
La da 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 dee.
Let's add 2 more windows on the tall part of the house. Add a chimney on top of the roof. Now it's ready to keep us warm. Draw some bushes behind the house. Add 2 flower tubs in front of the house for decoration. Let's draw a fluffy cloud in the sky.
La da 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 dee.
And finally, draw a big, bright sun shining above the house. Now, take your black marker and make all the outlines bold and sharp. This will make your artwork stand out. Doesn't it look amazing? Let's grab our rainbow colors and start coloring. Here are the colors we'll use. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. color. Fantastic job, everyone! Your house looks absolutely beautiful. Don't forget to show your masterpiece to your family and friends. Thanks for drawing with me today on Toddlers Art Hub. See you next time. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.